Jerry, look. Doggy. You see the doggy? Good girl, Jerry. Good girl, Mama. Jerry, look, Jerry. Good girl. Careful, Jerry, careful. You see the pug, Jerry? The little pug. Okay, so I've come to Balaka. I've come to Malacca Falls in Carlingford. Last night there was like 1 month's worth of rain in an hour, and that's the best time to come here after the rain. So that's pretty good. It's amazing that we're actually only just up that walkway. We're about 5 minutes from the major highway. Anyway, let's do some long exposure photography. Alright, looks like this ND filter is way too dark. I'm getting like 30 seconds. I've set it up in portrait mode. And I want to get that bush there, that tree, whatever, with some of the rocks, and get a portrait shot like that. It's really dark here anyway. 30 seconds. I mean, far out. Maybe I'll take the ND filter off because I don't really need 30 seconds. Are you a good girl? Yes, you want to play. Wild things Alright, so that's 1/4 of a second at f11. Looks like a bit of a better stream, bit of a, what do you call it, ghostly effect with the long shutter speed. And I don't even need a bloody ND filter. So with water, I thought you always needed like full on 3 or 4 seconds, but you don't. I mean, you can. I'll try it again with the ND filter and maybe pump the ISO up a bit to get like 3 seconds. It's a balancing act, really, of light. Hey, Jerry. It's a balancing act, Jerry. Yes, I know you're bored shitless, Jerry. Alright, we'll go for a walk after this. Jerry's waiting patiently. Here's my little owl feather. I don't know what it was. Wildings. What's that movie? Where the wild dags are? The wild dags. Anyway, these guys are going off tap. I don't know what's going on. If anyone can understand what the hell they're saying, they're full on arguing like you wouldn't believe. So I put the ND filter back on. I mean, at this stage, that 10-stop ND filter was a wrong decision. I've got another filter. What's that company? They changed their name to URTH. Boya. They're Aussie company. And that's a variable ND filter, which would have been much better than I could have mucked around. Hey, Jerry, I could have mucked around with it. Alright, if I go down to f4, which is what this lens is, that's 6 seconds. 13 seconds. That's at ISO 200. And if I pump the ISO up to say 800, then I only need 4 seconds. So yeah, the ISO goes up, lets more light in, or lets the sensor be more sensitive to the light. Jerry, Does it sound like I know what I'm talking about, Jerry? And then 4 seconds later, you get that. Hey, Jerry. Yeah. Hey. And the old flippy screen comes in handy. I'm trying to get low. Jerry, piggy tail. You want to help, Jerry? You want to help? Yeah. You want to help, Mama? Yeah, you want to help? You help me. You help me do the tail. Jerry, be careful, Jerry. A little bit of peace and quiet now. Yeah. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Jerry, come here. I better go get Jerry. It's National Park. You're not allowed to have off leash. It's a protected area. Jerry, you're not allowed off the leash. You'll lead all the wombats. Jerry, be careful, wombats. Careful, Jerry. Go that way. Go. Come on. This way. Jerry. Hey, Jerry. Hey. Jerry, you like the bush, don't you, Jerry? Huh? You're a little bush kangaroo, Jerry. Huh? You're a little kangaroo. Jerry loves the bush. Gets all excited. All the different smells out here. It must be like heaven for a little Jerry. Alright, no worries, that's it. Anyway, just a short one. Thanks for that. I'll catch you on the next one. They've been here for like half an hour, just yelling and screaming and arguing. Are you here? Oh, gone off tap. What am I supposed to do? You go tell them that I need to film.